Upgrade your set. The Triumph black and gray canvas cornhole bags are the perfect upgrade or replacement cornhole bags for any bag toss game. For both recreation and tournament, 8 durable official-sized duck-cloth canvas cornhole bags are perfect for recreational and tournament play. Durable bags and filling. Each heavy-duty bean bag weighs 16 ounces with synthetic pellets filling and plastic lining. Long-lasting, season after season. Play longer with these durable 6 inches by 6 inches duck-cloth canvas bean bags. Easy portability, includes clear plastic storage container with 2 locking clasps. Top reviews from the United States. Bags of beans. Sturdy construction. Weehee carry box is a nice plus. Pattern and color as advertised. Otherwise, it's friggin' bean bags. What then hell? You are reading reviews for bean bags. Go spend some time with your loved ones.